Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to pay on Aliexpress using your Apple Pay account, then this video is for you. So if you have set up your Apple Pay account, then you can go with this step, that how to use that Apple Pay on Aliexpress. But if you have not set up your Apple Pay yet, then you can just follow the steps, that open the wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Then after that, you just need to tap the plus or the sign to add a card, plus icon to sign to add a card. So you just need to enter the credentials, like follow the on-screen instruction and add your credit or debit card. So you just need to enter your credit card or debit card credential, like your card holder name, the card details, the CVV number or the CVC number, and the expiry date also. So once your card is verified, you're all set to use your Apple Pay. So you have just follow the steps, and you have just add your credit card or debit card to your Apple wallet, and you are good to go to pay with your Apple Pay on AliExpress. Now, here you have to follow this all the steps here, the 6 steps to completely use your Apple Pay for the payment on the AliExpress. So here you can see the set up Apple Pay on your device and add your credit card debit card information. After that, you can just open the AliExpress app on your iPhone or iPad, then select your desired items and proceed to checkout. Then after that, opt for Apple Pay as your payment method. If you can find it, the Apple Pay, if you can find the Apple Pay option on the checkout page, you can just go with the credit card or debit card. Then you can just use that credit card or debit card that you have just added to your Apple wallet. So this will just, then you can just pay from your Apple wallet. Then you can just transfer some money from your Apple Pay to your credit card. Then you can use that credit card on your AliExpress. So this is actually a indirect process that you can follow to use your Apple Pay credit for the payment on AliExpress. Then authenticate and authenticate the transfer via touch ID or face ID. Actually, it will you can face this step when you are just transferring money from your Apple Pay to your credit card. Then you add again, you can face this option, the verification option, when you are using your credit card as a payment method on AliExpress and you are checking out with your credit card or debit card credits. Then confirm your purchase, and voila, your shopping journey is complete. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.